When I saw these, I grabbed the tags instantly because they were only $10 for the pair at Goodwill. And here they are now, so stick around and I'll show you how I turned these into $450 in just a couple of days. Here I'm starting off by removing all of the hardware. I always start off by cleaning my pieces with a degreaser to make sure that it's perfectly clean so that my paint would adhere. I then go in with the 220 grit sandpaper and I scuff sand the whole entire piece. And as you can see, this piece has a little bit of water damage and we're going to sand that out as well. After this part, you're going to go in with a microfiber cloth or a tack cloth and you're going to wipe it down to remove all of the dust. I'm going in with Zinsser Bullseye 123 primer, and you really don't want to skip this step or your paint might not stick and it could end up peeling. I'm using this rounded brush to get into all of the details, and this is where primer really helps because it'll show you anything that you might have missed. Then once it dries, I'll go back with the light scuff sand just to smooth everything out before the next coat. I'm just repeating the same process here using Sherwin-Williams cabinet and furniture paint. I had a little bit left over in a couple of different colors, so I decided to mix them together and I ended up with this charcoal color. Now I'm adding the drawer liner. I just set the drawer on top, trace it out, and cut it to size. I picked this up off of Amazon for just $10. This is one of those small details that make a big difference, and my customers always love it. It just gives it more of a finished, clean look, and it's something people notice right away when they open the drawers, especially on pieces like this. It took me a little bit of time just to get used to it at first, just figuring out how to get the clean fit without wasting any material. But eventually, after doing so many, you eventually get the hang of it. I got the hardware off of Amazon for just $10. Adding new hardware can really change a piece and make a huge difference. Here is the reminder of what we started with. Paint really can do wonders. Just a little imagination, some effort, and small details can completely change a piece. These went from $10 at the thrift store to $450 in just a couple of days. How do you think they turned out? Welcome to 615 Flips. I truly love finding pieces others might overlook. I'm drawn to the ones that feel worn or outdated because I see the potential in them. On this channel, I share real projects and show how a little imagination, elbow grease, and thoughtful details can completely transform a piece. Whether you're flipping furniture for extra income or simply updating pieces in your own home, I hope you leave inspired to see things differently.